Hello everyone and welcome to Vidyarthi Point. Today I am going to teach you boat and streams. In this chapter we will be dealing with the speed of the boat, the speed of the stream, the still water and many other factors. Now let us first know what is still water. That is still water. When we say still water, we mean that here the speed of water is 0. That is speed of water equals to 0. Now give me one example or two where the speed of water is 0. Definitely the speed of water is 0 in pond and lake. Now consider a boat is moving in a pond or lake, that is in still water. So the speed of boat in still water will be independent of any other factors. That is, here the speed of the boat will be denoted as BS, that is speed of boat. Now this was all about speed of boat when the water was still. Now imagine the scenario where the water is not still but the water is moving. Let us look at the two scenarios. Now let us look at scenario 1. Here we are talking about a flowing river, that is in still water we know that the speed of water is 0 because the water is still, but when the water is flowing the water will also have a speed which we will call as speed of the river or speed of the current. Let us denote speed of the river or current as CS, that is speed of current. We know that still water, the speed of water is 0. Now consider this stream. It is flowing in this direction. Its speed is CS, that is speed of the current. Now consider a boat is flowing downstream. What do you mean by downstream? Downstream means along the direction of flow. That is, if the river is flowing in this direction, the boat will also flow in this direction. Let me show you here. The direction of the flowing river is this, that is this. Now consider a boat is flowing downstream, that is this boat is also flowing in this direction, that is in the direction of the river. Now we denote the downstream speed as ds, that is downstream speed. Now we have to find the relation of downstream speed and the speed of the current. Downstream speed ds equals to, we know that the speed of the boat was bs. Now what is the role of the speed of current in downstream? Whenever a boat is flowing in the direction of the river, this speed of current will help the boat since they are flowing in the same direction. So downstream speed will be equals to speed of boat plus speed of current. This is the formula for downstream speed. Please pause the video and note down this formula. Now let us look at scenario 2. Scenario 2 will be of upstream. Now we know that downstream means flowing along the direction of the river. What is upstream? Upstream means flowing opposite to the direction of the river. That is the major difference between downstream and upstream. That is, upstream equals to opposite to the river's flow, or opposite to the flow of the river. Now let us denote upstream speed as US, that is upstream speed. Now let us see what is the role of the speed of current in upstream. Upstream is equals to speed of boat, that is BS, minus speed of current. Now the question may come, why? In downstream we have added the speed of current, but in upstream we are subtracting it. This is because when this river is flowing in this direction but the boat is flowing in the opposite direction, the speed of the current will resist the movement of this boat. That is, the river is flowing in this direction but the boat is flowing opposite to it. So the speed of this river will restrict their movement. So this speed of current will slower the speed of the boat. That's why upstream speed equals to speed of boat minus the speed of the current. So whenever in the question you find the upstream question or the upstream speed, you have to subtract the speed of the current, whereas in downstream you have to add the speed of the current to the boat. So now we know the formula of speed of boat downstream and speed of boat upstream. Consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now we need to find the speed of the boat in still water, that is speed of boat in still water. This we know we denote it as BS. Now speed of boat in still water, for this let us add equation 1 and equation 2. Upon adding, this left hand side will add, that is downstream speed plus upstream speed equals to DS is BS plus CS, that is speed of boat plus speed of current. Now plus, since it is addition here, US is, that is upstream speed is PS minus CS. Now let us cancel this. So upon cancellation we have downstream speed plus upstream speed equals to PS plus PS equals to 2PS, that is 2BS, that is speed of boat, equals to downstream speed plus upstream speed. Now these two will come here as the denominator. So the speed of boat in still water formula is BS equals to downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. So this is the formula. Now let us look at the formula of the speed of the current. Now let us look at the formula for speed of river or current. We know we denote it by speed of current. For this we have to subtract equation 1 and equation 2, that is equation 1 minus 2, which will give us downstream minus upstream speed equals to, downstream's value is speed of boat plus speed of current minus speed of boat minus speed of current. Now again plus speed of current minus this both will come minus. Now minus and minus will become plus CS, that is speed of current. Here this was the value of downstream speed. We have written as it is. Now we know that there used to be a plus which is hidden always. Minus and plus will give us minus, and minus will give us plus. Now again ds, that is downstream speed minus upstream speed, equals to, here plus bs minus bs will get cancelled. So we will have 2 cs, that is speed of current. Now let us reverse them, that is 2 speed of current equals to downstream speed minus upstream speed. These two will come here as the denominator. So speed of current equals to downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. So this is the formula of speed of current.